Hello guys, nice to see you again. Today in this video, I will show you how to recycle a broken soldering iron into a metal welder. Watch the whole video to see how I did it. You can go to the junkyard to find yourself a broken welder. We will disassemble the case of that machine. We see inside the machine there is a coil core. I will remove this coil from the machine to upgrade it. This coil is broken and needs to be replaced. However, the machine's power cannot burn heavy metals, so we need to replace the coil inside. First, cut the wires that are connected to the coil, including the wire connecting to the machine switch. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Next, I will use scissors to remove the small copper wires inside. The coil is wrapped with a very strong protective layer, so we will cut off each layer. I will remove these small copper wires and replace them with much larger loops. Quite a few small copper wire loops. Make sure not to leave any on it. I will use a 2.5 millimeter diameter wire to replace the copper wire. Next, I will use the wire to thread into the steel sheet box. Let's tighten the loop so we have the largest number of loops. When we have enough turns of wire, we will cut off the excess wire. I will clean the chuck of the machine. It is too old and needs to be cleaned and renewed. Next, I will wrap that clip end with new cardboard. Use a zip tie to tie it tight and secure it. Then use scissors to cut off the excess wire of the drawstring. Please reinstall the coil into the case. I will smear some tin on the wires and switches of the machine. Next, we will connect the wire to the switch. The remaining wire will connect directly to the power cord. Use tape to wrap the joint. Put everything back in its place. Next, we will put the case back together. Tighten each screw to make the machine fit as tight as possible. After completing the repurposing of the machine, we will put it to use. I will use one power source to operate the machine, then one welding rod. After I had the welding rod inserted into the clamp, I tried it with a piece of iron. Great, the welding rod burned when I touched the iron bar. Next, I will use another iron bar and use the machine to weld the two iron bars together. It's really great, isn't it? The machine has been running very well. It's amazing how successful my invention has been. Don't you think this machine is amazing? If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell to see the latest videos. Thank you very much.